Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Netgear Orbi 870 Wi-Fi 7 mesh router system step by step. So first of all, you just have to disconnect the power from the modem or the fiber ONT for a moment. Now you just have to connect the main Orbi 870 router to the modem using the included Ethernet cable. Just make sure that the cable goes into the router's internet port and not the LAN ports. After that, you just have to plug the Orbi router into the power and wait for the front LED to pulse white while it boots up. Afterwards, you just have to download the Netgear Orbi application on your phone. Now the application will automatically search for the new Orbi system. So you need to follow the setup instructions in order to create your Wi-Fi network name, create a strong password, configure the admin settings, and even finishing activating the internet connection. Now, once the main router is online, you can power on the Orbi satellite units one at a time. The satellites usually sync automatically within a few minutes, and during pairing, the LED color helps indicate the signal quality. If you are seeing the blue light, it means the excellent connection. If there is an amber light, it means fair connection, and the magenta or the purple can indicate connection issues. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.